Why did Mike Tyson slap Jake Paul? So friends, in this video I will share with you the complete detail about this. A long-time friend of Mike Tyson said that boxing he slapped Jake Paul Thursday night because Jake Paul stepped on his foot. Video appears to show Jake Paul briefly stepping on the front of Tyson's right foot and quickly moving his foot back at the weigh-in for the Friday night fight at Tyson then slapped Paul across the face with his right hand and pointed toward the ground before the two men were pulled apart. Jack stepped on Mike Tyson's foot that prompted the reaction. Tom Petty, one of the Tyson longtime friends, told supports by the text message, "I was there and Mike just told me." So this is the truth, and Tyson trained together under continuous skill live together.